Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Samsung recently launched the Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone, and Samsung is the first brand launching the foldable smartphone in the Galaxy Z Flip series. So Z Flip is an horizontal foldable smartphone, and then a Z Fold series. So it is a vertical type foldable smartphone. So in the line of Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone, so Samsung already registered a patent design on 2018, and now in 2020 July month, this patent design details and a few other sketches has been revealed, and this has been explored via Let's Go Digital publication. Now in this video I'm going to share you about that new patent design, and this might be a Galaxy Z Fold 3, and this patent design comes with the multiple foldables with the 2 hinges, and it will have a 3-part of display, and then it is also comes with the sliding keyboard. So all these things I'm going to share this in this video, so let's get started guys. So according to the Let's Go Digital, so this is the patent design. So only the multiple foldables and 3 hinges and the sliding keyboard are the main part of the design, and apart from that, other designs like a camera layout and the camera configuration are all assumed for the reference to complete the design. So firstly, so this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, so it comes with the 2 hinges. So already we have seen with the single hinges, it makes the smartphone to fold the display inwards, but in this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 you can also able to fold the display outwards too. So in general, if the display foldable outwards means there is a chance of dust and scratch, and however Samsung is using the ultra thin glass UTG, but using that UTG that will not gives that much of anti-scratch resistant. So Samsung might be experience some of the scratch in the outerwards foldable display, and likewise Samsung might be working on that to improve the scratch resistant on the outerwards display. Then moving on to the display, so it is also a flexible display, so it comes with the 3-part of display, and all the parts comes with the equal size of the display size, and you can able to fold the device up to 3 times. And similarly this display, and similarly this Z Fold 3 smartphone is also comes with the sliding keyboard. So using this sliding keyboard, so this sliding keyboard is equipped inside the one part of the display, and as like the Galaxies and as like the S Pen in the Galaxy Note series, so you can also slide out the keyboard by just pressing some of the buttons like that. And once the keyboard is outwards, the keyboard is also comes with is a size which is similar to the one part of the display. And similarly this keyboard can be used in the any form of foldables, like even though if you are folding 1 foldables also you can use that keyboard, and 2 foldables, and even though if you are fully unfolded also you can still able to use that sliding keyboard. And likewise this sliding keyboard comes with the lock support even at folding at the different conditions. And afterward this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is also comes with the sweeper technology as like the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So this smartphone is also comes with the 2 hinges. So using the sweeper technology, it can be able to hide the gaps around the hinges. So and finally, so this is the Galaxy Z Fold 3 patent design, and however this patent design is still not yet confirmed, and might be Samsung is whether confirm or maybe reject this patent design, but it will be get to known in future only. And apart from this 2 hinges and 3 types of foldable design, and then keyboard and then sliding keyboard, and all other characteristics and all other designs like the camera layout and other designs are based on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So it is just for the reference purpose to complete the whole design, and but Samsung will this time might be brings the under display camera, under display selfie camera to make the screen to the full size. And then in terms of camera configuration also Samsung might brings a large sensor size with 12 megapixel of resolution. So it will all get to known on next year only. So this Galaxy Z Fold 3 might be launched on August 2021 along with the Galaxy Note 21 series. So what do you guys think about this Galaxy Z Fold 3, the new Samsung patent design? So let me know in the comments below, and if you are still eagerly waiting for this new technology means so hit the like button. And how do you guys like this video, and if you guys still like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.